Welcome to WTF Computer. Today we're going over what is HTML and CSS. Essentially, HTML and CSS are what builds up all of the websites you know, love or hate, who knows. This is an example of some simple HTML code. First, we declare the type of document. Second, we set our scope where the document begins and ends. And then, our head section, for things like our URL title and perhaps meta tags at a later date. And our body section for the rest of our content. If you want to know where to write your website code, whilst you can use applications like Notepad, there are plenty of better options out there.
Nice.
We just looked at HTML. How does CSS relate? CSS complements our HTML and adds character. Here, we have selected the tags H1 and our P for paragraph. Here, we're selecting their scope. We are changing their font to Verdana, positioning them in the center, and we will look more at display types at a later video. Okay, cool. So we've seen HTML and CSS in code, but what do they actually do? HTML is essentially the foundations or structure of your website. This is where you're going to put your text, images, and video. And then you'll go over to CSS and style them. CSS stands for Cascade Styling Sheets. So this is where we change the appearance and the display and how it's going to sit on our website. If you're still confused and not sure and feel like I've been skipping too far ahead, then don't panic, because in our next video we're going to take it all the way back to the start again in our first video where we create our very first website. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and maybe share it with a friend who might enjoy this type of content as well. Otherwise, that's all for me. Happy coding!